Hey guys, here is how to make money on YouTube even if your channel is not yet monetized. So there's this platform called Impact. I registered account on Impact 3 years ago when I started this channel fresh. And what this platform does is that it connects you to digital products like CapCut, Wondershare video editing softwares, photo editing softwares, and many other softwares. So once your profile is verified, you can send a partnership request to a software brand like CapCut for affiliate program. Now, if CapCut look at your YouTube channel and they see that what you're creating aligns with their product, then they are going to accept your request. Now, from your Impact dashboard, you can be able to create a link to promote any product at all, any product that aligns with what you're teaching on YouTube. So if, for example, you teach about video editing, photo editing, you can promote the CapCut or Wondershare or any app at all, or Canva, any app that you are using. You can put the link in the description. And anytime somebody clicks on that link, you are going to see it right here on this website. Let me show you. So when you scroll down here, you will see how many times people has clicked on the link since I posted the link in my description. So this is just something that I tried because I teach about this. So most times I don't really have more time to pay attention to this. But you can see that even throughout this year, from January 1st, 2026, we had 4,000 clicks, 4,200 clicks, one action, meaning that one person purchased a product using my affiliate link. And then the commission is $14.38, and the product itself the sales amount is 28.76, and the conversion rate is 0.02. Okay, so this is the sales that I've made so far, but last year was better than this. This is because I don't really have time for this. But for somebody like you who is not yet monetized on YouTube, you can actually utilize this strategy, this affiliate marketing strategy, and it will help you to make money whilst your channel is not yet monetized. Now let's go further into this. So you can see from here that this is the total earnings since last week. Okay, and this is the total pending revenue. And one thing I like about this platform is the fact that they pay you even if there's nothing like $100 threshold. Anytime your payment reaches $10, they will send it to you straight to your PayPal account, which is why you need to watch this video that I'm going to leave the link at the top here. It's a video that I made for content creators in West Africa, those who have restriction with PayPal. So you can watch this video on how to get a verified PayPal account here in West Africa. Okay, but if you already have a PayPal account, then let's continue with this video. So this platform pays you out anytime you get up to $10 in your account. And if you want to check your wallet, you can just go here and click on wallet, and you can be able to check the earning history. So let me click on it and let's see the earning history. Okay, so when you click on earning history, this is how the interface looks like, and this is all the payout so far. This one is coming from TenorShare brand, and you can see that so far TenorShare brand has been able to by promoting their link, I've been able to make, for the first payment was $14.38, and then this one also which is $244. Okay, and this one too is $29. So let me go back to the earning history, and then I want us to look at something very quick. Okay, so when you go straight to the balance here, we can be able to see all the transaction that has been made so far. So far I have no balance, but I do have $14 which is pending, and I think I will receive that very soon. So February 15, 2026, they charged a processing fee of 0.36 cents, which is for this particular payment that they sent. So the same February 15th, that was when they sent this payment. Okay, so this is how it is. When you scroll down, you get to find out that this impact is really effective and legit. Yeah, so it is something that you should try out, especially if your channel is not yet monetized. And even if your channel is monetized, this is another figure that you can actually add to your AdSense account, because all you need to do is copy the link of the product that you want to advertise, then you put it in the description of your videos. So imagine if your video gets like 1,000 views and 10% of the people who watched that video was able to click on that link. And even if out of that 10%, 1% of the audience was able to purchase from that product that you're advertising, you will be getting your commission immediately. And another thing that you have to know is that every product has their commission. Some will pay off 50% to the creator, some will pay off 30%, and some 70%. It all depends on the products that you're advertising. So the whole thing is like, you are the creator, you have what it takes to drive traffic to their website. Okay, so the impact is like a third-party website that connects you to those CapCut, Wondershare video editing softwares. So once you create an account here, and then your account is verified, from here you can be able to send a partnership request to CapCut or any product that you want to advertise. And once they accept your request, you can go ahead and start advertising their product with a link. Okay, so and from this dashboard you can be able to monitor the whole thing, how many people has clicked on your link, how many people has bought from your link. You can see everything. So everything is transparent here. All right, so even if you don't send requests to those companies, still there are other companies that will send you a request, but just that some of them may not align with what you're teaching on your channel, which is why you have to make sure that what you teach has to align with, what you're advertising has to align with your channel's niche. Okay, so I think that's all for this video, guys. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video so that more people will get to see the video, and drop a comment. So some of you may be asking that, at what requirements can I start doing this? Like I told you from beginning, even if your channel is not yet monetized, you can start utilizing this strategy. Okay, because even if you have 100 subscribers, 500 subscribers, you can still start promoting, you can still start the affiliate marketing, and from there you start earning your commissions. So this is how the commission rate looks like. This one here says 30%. So it means every sales you make, they are going to give you 30% commission. Meanwhile, this one here says 70%. Over here, it's all about competition. So you just have to make sure that before you apply for any affiliate, make sure that the product you're advertising aligns with your channel so that your audience will not get bored. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Stay blessed.